If you're running a cleaning business and still answering every call yourself, missing leads, or forgetting what clients said, you're leaving money on the table. And before I explain anything, I want to show you something. Imagine your phone rings late Saturday night. You're completely offline. A new customer called about a monthly recurring clean. And by the time that you wake up on Sunday morning, the lead is already qualified, the details are logged, and a booking link was already sent to them. Except that you didn't do any of that. Your phone system did. That is what your cleaning business can look like. And that's exactly what I'm showing you today. But before we get into that, this video is sponsored by Quo. And yes, this is a product that I genuinely recommend to cleaning business owners. There's a link in my bio and description of this video so that you can try it out for free. If you guys are new here, Quo is a business phone system built for small business owners and operators. It gives you a dedicated business phone number, keeps everything separate from your personal phone, handles your call routing, and works right from the device you already have. No second phone and easy setup. But the reason I'm making this specific video is the powerful AI inside, because that's what takes your cleaning business from reactive to running like a real operation. Think about this. You're in the middle of a clean, your phone is ringing, and you can't answer. That could be a recurring client, a deep clean, or a commercial lead that could be worth thousands of dollars. You call back later and they've already booked with someone else. You cannot operate your cleaning business without systems. Now, it's already a big enough pain to miss customer calls, but here's what doesn't get talked about enough. What about the calls you did answer but forgot what the client said? What about quoting a job wrong because your notes were scattered? What about trying to hand things off to a virtual assistant, but there's no record of how you handle your calls? Or a client saying, "You told me this price," and you have no way to verify that was true. That is not a missed call problem. That's a systems problem. And this is how you fix it. Inside Quo, there are a few AI-powered features that I want to walk you through today, because together they can completely change how you operate, because they really changed the game for me. AI call summaries, transcriptions, and Sona, the AI agent. Let me show you exactly what each one looks like in your business. Think about what your business looks like with all of this running. AI summaries, so you never lose the details of a call. Transcriptions, so there's a full record of every conversation for you, your team, and your virtual assistant. An AI agent handling leads, answering questions, and sending booking links around the clock or whenever it makes sense for your individual business. When you've got multiple cleaners, a full schedule, and more leads coming in, this is what keeps everything from falling through the cracks. The information stops living in your head and starts living in the system. That's the difference between being the one holding everything together and being the CEO who built something that runs. Every time a client calls your business, this is what's waiting for you. A summary right at the top about the property details, anything special that they mentioned. You didn't take a single note, it's already done. And if you ever need to go deeper, the full transcript is right here, word for word. Think about what that means when you're quoting a callback or trying to remember what scope or price was discussed. You can even share these transcripts with your virtual assistant or office staff, since you can share a business line along your team. Let them read the real calls. That becomes your training. This is how you stop running your business on memory and start running it on a system. Another cool feature is the call recording, where you can actually listen to the call and also download the call. Okay, this is the piece I really want you to pay attention to. Sona is the AI agent inside Quo. And for a cleaning business owner, this is a game changer. Remember that Saturday night call from the beginning? Let me show you exactly what your inbox would look like. Sona answered the call, greeted the caller with your business name, asked what they needed. It collected their name, their number, the type of clean they were looking for, the size of the property. And then, without doing a single thing, it texts them your booking link. That lead didn't sit there waiting until Monday. They got a response the same night that they called. Now let me show you how you'd set this up, because it's simpler than you'd think. This is called a job. You're basically telling Sona when someone calls about a new cleaning service, here's exactly what I want you to ask. Name, contact, info, what they need, how big the property is. You set this up once. It runs on every single call after that. Let's go ahead and click create. So for this example, we want to create a job for scheduling. We're going to click scheduling and we're going to use this template to edit. This says, when the caller wants to book, schedule, or arrange a time for an appointment, consultation, service, or meeting with the business, 1, let the caller know that you'll text a scheduling link to the number they're calling from so they can choose a time that works. 2, collect their first and last name. 3, collect purpose of their appointment. 4, finally send SMS. So now that we've edited the message, this is pretty much what is going to be said. Also, something that you want to edit is the SMS. So if you click here, this is going to be the content of the text message that you're going to be sending the client. So I have something written up and I use ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it, and the message is, this is Hampton's Cleaning. Book your residential cleaning or schedule your commercial on-site evaluation here. And then we added the hyperlink to the Book Now page. And then we want to click Create Job. So now when a client calls the business and it's going to ring for 30 seconds to the user, nobody answers, Sona is going to handle the call using the job that we just created. Next up, I want to show you the Knowledge tab. And this is where Sona learns your business, your services, your service area, your general pricing. So when someone asks, do you do commercial cleaning, or what areas do you cover? Sona already has the answer and can speak back to them. You're not just getting voicemails anymore, you're getting qualified leads, details collected, and a booking link already sent. Even at 10 p.m., that's a phone system that's working for you. So right here, let's go ahead and check what kind of knowledge we've already shared with Sona. So we did a website import where you can paste your website over and Sona is going to populate or grab information from that website. Actually imported over the website link, but I'm going to do it again just to show you. And then we're going to click import. And now what you guys are viewing is the import of information that AI is pulling over from this cleaning business website. So that way, if a client asks questions, the AI agent knows how to respond. Now you can add up to 4 pieces of knowledge here. So let's show you another example of what you could do. So these are the overviews. We actually only need 1. As I mentioned, I did it earlier during. Here you can upload additional information about your business. This includes flyers, pamphlets, or any documents that contain helpful details. Providing this information will make it easier to answer questions more accurately. There is also a best practices guide available. I recommend clicking on it to learn how to properly use uploaded files and get the most out of this feature. Here's exactly how you put this to work in your cleaning business right now. Use your call transcripts to train virtual assistants. Let them read real client calls so they know exactly how to handle pricing questions, new leads, and complaints. Use your call summaries to quote callbacks accurately. No more guessing what square footage they mentioned or what scope they described. Turn on Sona so your evening and weekend calls get managed automatically while you're off the clock. Any one of those alone is worth setting this up today. If you're serious about growing your cleaning business, you need tools that work even when you're not. Use the link in the description of this video or my bio to try Quo. You'll get a free trial and 10% off your first 3 months. Set up Sona from the start. Every Quo plan comes with 10 free Sona managed calls per month, and you can scale as needed. You deserve a business that runs like a business. Stop operating like you're the only one holding it together and start building something that works without you in every single conversation. If you found this video educational or informational, please be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I upload a new video. Until next time, cleaning family.